So we got the Caddy pickup into a uh, chopped bus, pickup. The two raced T3 vans, the Beetle Coke ornament. We got a cool combi, the race bus, Carmen Gia. This another race bus, Corrado flat deck T2 pickup, Beetle pickup, a Type 3 panel van, Type 2 pickup, tow truck, regular Type 2 pickup, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles drag bus, Hot Wheel, Transformers, Bumblebee Beetle, convertible Beetle. Then we got the Porsche 904 race car, the 911 keychain, a 935, Audi Quattro, Mercedes E360 AMG wagon, a 560 SEL AMG, Z4M motorsport car, GT1 R390 Nissan, a Mazda K truck, monster truck, a Honda S800 sports car from the 70s, good old Chevy SSR, a second Ford GT race car that I plan on selling because it's worth quite a bit, Studebaker Champ pickup truck, Gordon Murray T50S, Koenigsegg Gemera, the Bat Tumbler from the Dark Knight, the Batmobile from the Arkham Asylum game, or not, yes, but the Arkham series, Batman Forever Batmobile, Batman and Robin Batmobile, and then RX-7 for Tim, good old Rowlet, and then a tin of cards.